Today is July 17th. This is the 1967 Cadillac Coupe DeVille steering wheel restored for my friend Bruce Calassian out in California. This particular steering wheel is in the original General Motors medium blue color code trim. The wheel has been fully restored. Horn pad, steering wheel ring, cowling, and the electricals inside, as well as the emblem. This wheel was severely cracked and crazed with gaps and chunks missing, and it's been placed into a custom two-piece mold under time and temperature with a highly viscous liquid epoxy plastic. And under time and temperature and pressure, this highly viscous fluid has permeated throughout all the fissures and cracks and crazings and totally reconstructed the integrity of the solid wheel ring. In 1967 and 1968, the Cadillac steering wheel was a very elegant 5/8 diameter ring, much narrower in diameter than all the modern steering wheels of today, and as well as the thicker steering wheels with the wood grain inlay, which started in 1969. So in 67 and 68 we have this very delicate, very elegant steering wheel ring that has 682 radial grip lines all the way around the face of the perimeter, each of which are put in by hand. So when the mold process is completed and the wheel is repaired, there's then about 2 months worth of hand finishing work, which includes the hand placement of the radial grip lines all the way around the front face perimeter of the steering wheel. Steering wheel also has the reconstructed stainless trim inlay all around the outside perimeter. Very, very hard, almost impossible to replicate. Very, very difficult. Beautiful by design, very elegant. In addition to the steering wheel ring with the grooves and the steel inlay being restored, the horn pad was also restored, which includes the redetailing of the original emblem, as well as the silver argent inlay. I'll go ahead and turn the wheel over. By the way, this is the TriStar design, where the steering wheel pad sits on 3 spring mountings to actuate the horn. I'll go ahead and turn over the steering wheel, and you can see how the internal electricals have also been reconstructed, including the main contact spring and the brass contact plate. The outer bowl housing for the tilt and telescopic column was refinished, along with the back cover plate. Matches perfectly the steering wheel. 67, 68 steering wheels are notorious for the inverted trigons to be totally split and cracked and gapped. And you can see how this has been reconstructed all by hand to match the form, fit, and function of the original period correct 1967-1968 design. So I'll go ahead and turn it back over on its upper side. And one last viewing. And this is the 1967 DeVille Convertible, Cadillac DeVille Convertible, medium blue steering wheel restoration for Bruce Calassian in California. This is George in Florida. I have over 25,000 original 1967 to 1970 Cadillac parts, and I restored the steering wheels and the steering columns for these beautiful vintage Cadillacs. If you have any questions, feel free to call me at 727-364-7523. Thank you very kindly.